Hello everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Yes? Very good. Welcome to my channel. So today in this session we are going to learn letter D. So let's start the class with the rhymes. So are you ready to do the rhymes? Yes? Show me your thumb. Very good. Now let's do the rhymes. Okay? Da-da dancing, dolphin dancing to the drum. Da-da-does, da-da-deer, da-da-ducks have all the fun. Once more. Da-da-dancing, dolphin dancing to the drum. Da-da-does, da-da-deer, da-da-ducks have all the fun. Very good. Clap for yourself. So, what have you learned? The sound of letter D. So what is the sound of letter D? D, 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 d. Drum. Yes? D, 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 drum. Very good. This is the sound of letter D. Did you enjoy? Very nice. Da-da dancing, dolphin dancing to the drum. For drum, da-da-drum. D is for dolphin, da-da dolphin. D is for door, da-da door. D is for duck, duck. And, tell me fast. Yes? D is for donut. Very good. D is for donut, donut. D is for deer, deer. D. Now my lovely children, which letter is this? Letter D. This is capital D and this is small d. And what is the sound of D? D, 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 d. Very good. Do you want to play the game? Do you want to play? Yes? Let's start. First we will find the capital D. There are 4 D in this picture. And you have only 20 seconds to find them. So are you ready? Go! Did you find them out? Let's circle the letter.
Circle on window. Circle on pot. Circle on drum. Circle on sofa.
Oh, very nice. Great job. This is a small d. So let's find out. Okay. There are 3 small d in this picture. And you have only how many seconds? 20 seconds. So let's find out. Go. Did you find them out? Let's circle the letter.
Circle on sky. Circle on duck. Circle on grass.